How to link Facebook to your WhatsApp account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to connect both accounts together in just a few steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Accounts Center. In the next step, look for the option that says Add Facebook Account or Instagram Account. From there, let me show you. Tap on Facebook Account to begin linking your account. At this stage, confirm that you would like to combine. Following this, after a few seconds, it will be confirmed. Once done, your Facebook account will now be linked to your WhatsApp. From here, keep in mind that linking your Facebook to WhatsApp allows you to share your WhatsApp status to your Facebook story and access other connected features across both platforms. And that's it. If this guide helped you link Facebook to your WhatsApp account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.